Gee, I talked to my friend yesterday.
Which friend?
Remember my friend from the Philippines? She just moved here to the US. Yesterday she told me, Riz, I understand English. I can watch movies. I can listen to songs. But when I try to speak, I just freeze. And hearing her say that, I remembered feeling exactly the same way. Then I remembered something you taught me a long time ago.
I remember.
It helped me then, and honestly, I still do it today.
And if that's how you feel, this video is for you. If you want to speak better English, you have to practice, right? You have to speak. Reading helps. Listening helps. Grammar helps.
But none of those can speak for you.
Only you can do that. So here's the real problem. What if you don't have anyone to practice with?
That's exactly what my friend said. I don't have anyone to speak English with.
If you've ever felt that way, for the next few minutes, you're not practicing alone anymore. We're right here with you. So, let's do something together. Don't think about grammar. Don't try to memorize my words. Just listen to my idea and answer with your own. That's all. I'll go first. This morning, I drank a cup of coffee before breakfast.
You mean your third cup?
Second. Anyway, did you notice? My answer was different. Riz's answer was different, and both answers were correct. That's exactly how real conversations work. Now, it's your turn. What did you do this morning? Say it out loud. Good. Did you make a mistake? Good. That means you spoke. And speaking is how speaking gets better.
Wait. I wasn't thinking about grammar. I was just thinking about my morning.
Exactly. That's why this works. Real conversations aren't about repeating someone's words. They're about sharing your own ideas. Let's try another one. Yesterday, I went to the grocery store after work.
Yesterday, I stayed home and cleaned the house.
Now you. Where did you go yesterday? Or maybe you stayed home. Either answer is okay. Say it out loud. Now tell us one more thing. What did you do there? See? You're already saying more than you did a minute ago.
It doesn't feel like studying.
Because it isn't. It's just talking.
But what if I make mistakes?
You will. I still do.
You do.
I do. And that's okay. The goal isn't perfect English. The goal is to be understood. If people understand your message, you're already succeeding. Okay, now, let's make it a little harder. Listen first. Last weekend, my family stayed home. We cooked dinner together. Then we watched a movie before bed.
Last weekend, we went to the park. The kids played for hours. Then we bought ice cream on the way home.
Now it's your turn. Tell us about your weekend. Where did you go? Who were you with? What did you do? Excellent. A few minutes ago, you answered with one sentence. Now, you're telling a whole story.
That's real progress. But most people don't notice it. They only notice their mistakes.
So don't count your mistakes. Count your moments of courage. Every time you open your mouth and speak, even one sentence, you're getting stronger. 1 sentence today, 2 tomorrow, 3 next week. That's how confidence grows. 1 conversation at a time.
Oh, I forgot about grammar again. I was just talking to you.
That's exactly where real speaking begins. You don't need perfect English to join us. You just need your voice. Spend a few minutes talking with us every day. Little by little, speaking English won't feel scary anymore. It'll simply feel natural.
Keep smiling.
Let's speak together. Bye.
Bye.